Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review OpenRead IO. OpenRead IO is a high converting landing page builder, and the process to build this landing page by using this tool is very easy. You do not need to get any coding knowledge to build your landing page. You can just drag and drop and you can build it within maybe 20 to 30 minutes. So these are the things guys, and if you see the lifetime deal pricing of OpenRead IO, it's only 49 USD for one code, but you can stack more code from here and see in single code you will get one custom domain and SSL certificate and one single user access. But if you need more, then you have to get more code, and if you want to use it for agency, then you have to get this 5 code. But you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing guys. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on OpenRead IO lifetime deal. And now, without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of OpenRead IO and let's explore how things work there and how it can be helpful for you. But before that, one thing I want to mention, guys, I have created a VIP lifetime deal discussion group on Facebook. This community is completely dedicated to discuss about various up-to-date lifetime deals available on the market. So if you're interested to join such group, guys, you're cordially invited to join. I'll give the link of this group in the description and in the comment section of this video. Now, this is the dashboard of OpenRead IO that you will get whenever you will log in or sign up. You can create new lead magnet just by clicking here, create lead magnet, and there have the option to manage your custom domain. So if you want to use your custom domain guys, just go to this button, and then there have option for add URL. So if you just click here on this add URL button, then it will redirect you to this page where there have a step-by-step instruction how you can add your own domain. Just follow it and you can add your custom Cname or your own domain. But in my case, I'm not using this custom domain right now because I don't have any custom domain basically. That's why. But in your case, definitely if you want to use it professionally, then you have to use your custom domain. But I hope you get idea how you can add your custom domain here. But in this video now I'll show you what kind of landing page you can build. See, there have the landing page link. I have already built one landing page and I'll show you the procedure to build this landing page. Why? Because if I want to build a complete landing page right now, then the video length will increase to 30 to 40 minutes maybe. So I do not want to take that much amount of time. That's why at first let me show you the landing page. Just click here on this landing page link and then it will redirect you to the landing page. And see, here have the lead magnet. People have to basically enter their leads or their information here, and if they enter their legal or legit information here, then they can proceed further, and then they can get the gift or the PDF or the thing that you will provide them. They will get the access of that. Let's say this is my information, and then here if I submit it, let me submit it, then it will redirect you to this page. And this is basically home page. I have designed the home page in this way. It's very basic, but in your case, if you want to design the home page in another way, then definitely you can do. I'll show you the things are available here. So in my case, in my landing page, here people have to click here start reading, and whenever they will click here start reading, see, this is one basic landing page, and then here your all pages will have step by step. See, here at the home page, about us, case studies, our service section, you can add link here, and then here another section, and then here another section, here another section. So these are the things. In page 3, if I go to the page 3, see, here have one header section, here have one hero section, there have some images, there have some heading, and there have some text. And then the last page, if I go to the page 4, then here this is the page. So these are the things guys. I hope you get idea. You can add as many pages you want to add basically here. And now I'll show you how I have built it. So see, there I have edit option. So if I go to the edit option, then it will give me the step-by-step instructions. See, at first you have to enter the title of your lead magnet. I have entered here lead magnet test, and it will automatically generate the slug. But in your case, if you want to change the slug, you can change the slug basically, and this slug will be shown on the URL page. So these are the things. After that, you have to just click here next, and here see you have to build your home page or your introductory page. And see here I have been given this page, these things, but see here I have sitting option. If you just click here, and then see there I have option to upload your logo, there I have option for background image and page title, subheading, and background color, font color, logo with etc you can add here. So these are the things. And save and preview, you can just save it and preview it. So these are the things, guys. After that, there have the next option. Just click on this next option, and here you have to build the main lead magnet page. And here you can add as many pages as you want. See, just click here on this add page button, and then you can easily add your page. And see, these are the main things. See, you can add here 2 column, 3 column. You can add here your logo, text, images, intro, headline, image plus text, image plus text 2, that means 3 image plus 3 text. You can add YouTube video, social link, pricing table, divider, boxed text, then page header, hero image, HTML. So let's say we want to add the header uh, or the hero image here in this section. So if I drag and drop, see the things are available now. And then let's say I want to add one YouTube video, just drag and drop this YouTube video section, and see here you have to add the URL of your video. And let's say this is my URL, and then just click here save, and then it will be added. So this is the video. Similarly, there have a lot of other widget. I hope you get idea, and you can just drag and drop the widget wherever you need. And see, there have editing option. Just click on the segment, which segment you want to edit. Let's say I want to edit the last segment, this YouTube video. See, there have the width. You can change the width, height of these things. And then there have option for alignment. Let's say I will align it on right, or I will align it in center. And then there I have more options. So if you want to add here padding, so you can also add here padding. See, they have top padding and then bottom padding. You can also add padding on right, on left. And then they have option for hide on desktop or mobile. That means you can hide this specific section in desktop or in mobile also, but in my case I do not want it, so I will not select anything from here. These are the things, guys. Now you can delete this segment just by clicking here on this delete icon. You can copy the segment from here, and then you can go to this general widget section from here, and see there have a lot of widget that are available. See, a lot of widget. They have button, and they have article, they have footer, different types of table are available here. They have divider, pricing table. So let's say you want to add one pricing table also. So now if I just drag and drop it, then see, this is the pricing table. Now if you want to edit these things, you can edit all the things from here. I hope you get idea, guys. You can edit all the things. You can add the link, you can add the button here, and then it will redirect your users or your visitors to your expected destination. So these are the things, guys. And after doing everything, just click here next. But I hope you get idea, guys, how you have to design these things. And so the design process is lengthy. If I want to show you the complete design of a landing page here, then it will take you a lot of time. That's why I just want to give you the idea how things works here. I hope you get idea, guys. Now after designing everything, after designing your lead magnet, just click here next. Now here it will redirect you to the share page, and in this page it will give you the webhook. See, if you want to get lead from Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter ads or Google ads, then you can directly send your leads to your OpenRead IO platform or to your OpenRead IO tool by using this webhook. These are the things, guys. After that, if I click here next, then it will redirect you to the notification page. And see, whenever people will submit you the leads, then they will get one welcome email. See, this is the welcome email, and they will provide you one template, but you can edit these templates basically from here. And after day 1 they will get another reminder, after day 3 they will get another reminder, and after day 5 they will get another reminder. But let's say you do not want to send them any reminder after day 5, so you can just disable it. But if you enable it, they will automatically get a reminder after day 5. I hope you get idea, guys. After that they have next option. So if I click on this next option, here you can add the custom domain if you want, or you can use the default OpenRead IO domain. In my case, I'll add here OpenRead IO's domain, but in your case, if you want to use it professionally, then definitely you have to add your custom domain. Just click here on this add button, then you can add your domain also. So these are the things, and after doing everything, just click here save. So then it will be saved, and the last option is then just click here on this next option. It will give you the summary of your landing page or lead magnet, and here you can also add your Facebook pixel ID, and you can track your users, and they have email notification. You can here submit your email where you want to get notification, and if you want to add any webhook, then you have to add this webhook. For example, you want to add the webhook of Public Connect, or you want to add the webhook of Zapier. That means you want to connect this OpenRead IO to another platform. Then definitely you need a webhook, and in this section you have to add this webhook. I hope you get idea, guys. And then there you will get the publish option. If you click on the publish option, then you will get the unpublish option. So this lead magnet is now published, guys, but if I just click here unpublished, then it will be unpublished. So these are the things, guys. After that, just click here save, let it be load, and then here from the upper right corner, click on this save option. So if I click on the save option, the lead magnet will be created. I hope you get idea, guys. Then they have copy option, so you can just copy your lead magnet, and they have delete option. You can delete the lead magnet also, and then they have option for stats. So if I just go to this stats section, from here you can see how many view you have gotten on page 1, on page 2, on page 3, on page 4, and then you can get the leads. That means the person who have sent you the lead, you can get all the leads list here in this section. I hope you get idea, guys, about this OpenRead IO. It's a landing page builder basically, and if you think, guys, you need this type of landing page builder for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this OpenRead IO lifetime deal from AppSumo. I will give the link of OpenRead IO in the description of this video. You can get at least 10% discount on this pricing for your lifetime. So just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on OpenRead IO lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate link, as if you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. Before closing the video, I want to show the roadmap of OpenRead IO, guys. See, on their pipeline, they have a lot of functionality that will be available in future. And see, they are doing these things: pre-design template and change page order. That means you will not get pre-designed template right now, but in future definitely you will get these things also. And see, these are the things that are design and estimation, and these things are in roadmap. You can pause the video and then you can see what are in their roadmap. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea about the roadmap of this OpenRead IO. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.